If you're worried about losing your irreplaceable documents and valuables in a fire, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best fireproof wall safes I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, SentrySafe Fireproof Box. Let's kick things off with the SentrySafe Black Fireproof and Waterproof Safe. Priced around $67.99, this safe caught my attention because it combines both fire and water protection, which is super important. If you want peace of mind knowing your documents are safe from both fire and floods, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This safe is UL classified to endure 1/2 hour at 1550 degrees Fahrenheit while ensuring the inside remains cool enough to protect your valuables like birth certificates and USBs. Plus, it's ETL verified to withstand up to 72 hours of water at 8 inches deep. So if a flood hits, your important papers won't turn into mush. With over 9,000 units sold in the past month, people clearly trust this product. Now, some users have pointed out that the key lock can be a bit inconvenient if you lose your keys. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about security, having a physical key adds an extra layer of protection. Just keep a backup in a secure spot. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, easy-to-use safe for important documents. Skip this one if you prefer a digital lock or need a larger capacity. For the price, it offers fantastic value for peace of mind. Now, if the key lock isn't your style, the next option takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, the SentrySafe Chest Safe. The SentrySafe Fireproof Safe Box, a compact choice at a lower price point that also delivers great protection. While the price isn't listed, it's typically around the same range, making it budget-friendly. If you want a fireproof safe that's easy to carry and store, this one is definitely worth considering. What's great about this box is its UL certification for fire endurance for 1/2 hour at 1550 degrees Fahrenheit, just like the previous model. It's designed to keep your cash, jewelry, and important documents secure from fire damage. Plus, the lifetime after-fire replacement guarantee is a big plus. People love that it's lightweight, weighing only about 17 pounds, yet still offers solid fire protection. But here's the downside. Some users mentioned its smaller size might not fit larger documents or valuables. Now, I get that, but if you're mostly storing smaller items, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This safe is perfect for someone looking for a portable, fire-resistant solution for essential documents and small valuables. Skip this one if you need a larger capacity or more complex locking system. Honestly, for the security and guarantees it offers, it's a solid buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing a more high-tech solution. Product number 3, Vonkabe Security Safe. Let's talk about the Vonkabe Money Safe Box. With a price tag of $32.99, this one caught my eye for its unique features like a sensor light and combination lock. If you want an affordable yet secure storage option with added convenience, this safe is a great choice. This smart safe not only protects your cash and valuables, but also comes with a fireproof money bag for double protection. The reinforced alloy steel construction makes it tough against forced entry, and it's nice that it has an intelligent sensor light that turns on automatically when you open it, perfect for those late-night grabs. Plus, it allows for 2 unlocking methods, a combination code or backup keys, which can be super handy. However, some users found the setup instructions a bit confusing. Here's the thing, once you get through those first steps, it's straightforward. Just take your time and it'll be worth it. This is perfect for anyone looking for a compact, tech-savvy safe that doesn't break the bank. Skip this if you want something larger or if you don't want to deal with the initial setup hassle. For the price and features, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something larger and more secure, the next option is a heavy-duty wall safe. Product number 4, TSCAG 25.6-inch tall fireproof wall safe, which comes in at about $169.99. This one stands out with its heavy-duty construction and combo lock, which adds a layer of security. If you need a safe that can be concealed and offers serious protection, this is worth your attention. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures that this safe can withstand serious attempts to break in, and it's designed to fit between standard wall studs for hidden storage. It includes removable shelves, making it customizable for your storage needs. Plus, with a combination lock, you don't have to worry about losing keys. On the downside, some users noted that it can be tricky to install. Look, wall safes do require a bit more effort to set up properly, but if you can manage that, you're gaining a secure spot to stash your valuables. This is perfect for homeowners who want a hidden, secure storage option. Skip this if you're looking for something more portable or if installation is a concern. For the added security and customizable storage, it's a worthwhile investment. Now, if you want a similar safe but with a larger capacity, the next one might just fit your needs perfectly. Number 5. TISC 29.53-inch Tall Fireproof Wall Safe. Priced at $179.99, this is another solid option that offers more height and storage space. If you need a larger hidden safe that still maintains that fireproof feature, you should definitely check this out. This model also fits between wall studs and comes equipped with heavy-duty steel construction like its smaller sibling. It features a combination lock and includes 3 removable shelves to help you organize your items efficiently. It's perfect for keeping valuables safe and hidden away from prying eyes. However, just like the previous model, some people found the installation process a bit challenging. But to be honest, if you're willing to put in the effort for a more secure option, this is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for someone looking for a larger, hidden safe to store valuables securely. Skip this one if you're tight on space or want something that can easily be moved around. Considering its features and security, it offers excellent value for the price. So to recap, we covered the SentrySafe Black Fireproof Box, the SentrySafe Chest Safe, the Vonka Bay Security Safe, the TISC 25.6-inch Wall Safe, and finally, the TISC 29.53-inch Wall Safe. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the TISC 29.53-inch Wall Safe because it gives you ample space while keeping everything concealed and secure. Just be cautious with installation. I recommend avoiding the SentrySafe Chest Safe if you're looking for something larger or more advanced.